Hi, everybody. I'm Nora. Today, I'm going to share my morning routine with you. I'll be speaking slowly and clearly, making this lesson ideal for beginners and A2 level students. Ready? Let's begin. Typically, I wake up at 7 a.m. When my alarm goes off, I get out of bed. I stretch my arms out and smile. Next, I head to the bathroom where I brush my teeth. I also wash my face using cold water because it helps me wake up. Following that, I move to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. Generally, I have bread and eggs, though sometimes I eat fruit. I also drink a hot cup of tea, which makes me feel prepared for the day ahead. Then, I pick out my outfit. I usually wear jeans and a plain shirt. If it's chilly out, I'll put on a sweater as well. I brush my hair and check my bag to ensure I have my phone, keys, and wallet. Finally, I put my shoes on and leave the house. As I walk to the bus stop, I see other people on their way to work. The morning feels fresh and busy. That is my morning routine. How about yours? What does your morning look like? Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons.